Say hi. So we're at Fridays right now because my car is getting maintenance done, and right across from Toyota is Fridays. Yes, so me and Maddie, we're gonna do a little lunch date together and eat. What are you gonna eat, Maddie? What are you gonna eat? Oh, yes, see? She said she's gonna eat mac and cheese. So the great thing about getting cardigans like this is that you can breastfeed like this. Yucky. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. So we're done lunch, and we kind of ran out of there fast because Maddie was becoming impatient. She ate and she was done. And then when she was done, she showed me by grabbing one of her pieces of macaroni and cheese and throwing it across the table. So they haven't called us yet to tell us that the car is done, so I guess we're gonna go shopping now. So they just called us, so we're about to go pick up the car now, and she is not in a good mood. Someone needs a nap. So we're off to my friend's house right now to pick up some clothes for Maddie. She's a really good friend, so I can't wait to see what Maddie has in store for her. And as you guys can see, Maddie really did need a nap. She's in the back, knocked out, so I'm kind of happy about that because I'm just going to get the clothes and then go home. Hi. So we're here to pick up my daughter from running club, but we got here a little early, so we're gonna go outside and play. It's really hot out today, guys. It's 88 degrees. Literally just Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go to the park? Okay, let's just 1 second. Alright guys, we're here to pick up my daughter. And we came really early. Well, not really early, but we're here like 10 minutes early and she is not in the mood. So I'm going to take her outside to play. How was practice? Isabel, are you done running club?
Yes.
Your face looks red.
We were running a lot.
A lot? Cool.
And it was a boy too.
So you beat a boy at running club today?
Yep. I sprinted the halfway and I win. Well, I was a second winner.
Yeah?
Yes.
So it's literally 9:30. I'm at the grocery store because my daughter comes to my room and says, Mom, Molly doesn't have any food for tomorrow and she's not sure if she ate dinner. So I run, and for those of you that don't know who Molly is my English bulldog puppy. So here I go to the grocery store to try to find her the closest dog food that could be comparable to Blue Wilderness, because we just started her on Blue Wilderness for puppy because someone had suggested it and I went on the reviews and she really likes it, but there is no store open that sells that right now, and I go to work really early, so I don't want her not to have food until I get home. So I hope she doesn't get sick. I heard Rachel Ray is a really good brand if you're like in a rut, and it's you know, I guess maybe not comparable, but it's not as bad, because I heard it's like grain free. I'm not really sure, so we'll see. So I just got back from the grocery store. I'm about to feed her a little bit because it's really late. And I didn't know she didn't have food because it's my kids' responsibility. That's what, they all have a certain responsibility, and one of them is to feed the dog. And they didn't let me know, of course, that there was no dog food until late. So I'm gonna feed her a little bit just so she doesn't, I don't want her to go to bed hungry. It's just for tonight and for tomorrow morning, because then we're gonna go get her real food tomorrow. So let's see how this one goes. And if anyone has suggestions on what's good for English bulldogs, puppies, let me know, because this is our first time having a puppy, and this is our first time of us having an English bulldog puppy. So if you guys have any suggestions on what's best for English bulldog, please let me know, because I want to feed her the best. I mean, they already have, bulldogs already have like medical complications because they're, short to the ground, they're chunky, so I want to make sure she's fed well. Little chunky piggy. So it says the #1 ingredient is farm-raised beef, 30% high-quality protein, and 0% grains, glutens, or fillers. Ollie, did you like it, or were you just hungry that you don't care? Give it a 2 thumbs up, 2 paws up.
No.